All right, we're back. Sorry, we had a
Yeah.
horrible crash on a computer, and I think there's buffering that's happening right now. But I think let me check levels. Mike's working. All right, we're back. Can you say something?
Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
Horrible crash. Yeah, I think that's good. Desktop audio, and then buffering that's happening right now. But I think let me check levels. Interview scene 2. Mike's working. And there you are. Great.
Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
Horrible. And now I'm going to kill this one because I don't want to see this. And we are live again. So that happened. All right. Desktop audio. Wait, why is... Oh, no, it's good. There are some errors coming in. Go ahead, Shawn, say something.
Hello? Hello.
You are not in my ear. That is...
Okay.
That's a me issue.
Okay.
Let's see. Because my headphones turned off because everything died. There we go. Now I can hear you. That's better.
Hey, Grok doesn't mess around. You criticize it, it shuts you down.
Yeah, Grok got mad at me. Wow, that was crazy. All right, I'm not done because I know I need to go to bed, but I don't care. Let's get back to, where's that code? Okay, I got the code. Can you see this? Oh no, we're not there yet. Let's do this one. Now we're back in the code. Okay.
Yeah, we want the prompt. Yep, there we go. We want the prompt.
I got it. We're going to go into Replit. Create app. And
let's use the pencil.
What?
The pencil right next to the start building. It improves your prompt.
This thing?
Yep.
Hey, Pop. All right. Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Oh, pro tip on Replit. Nice. All right. So let's see. Inspired by classic arcade racers like Outrun and modern browsers like Race Kings.
Visual references. Yep.
Let's do it. Oh, there's no way. Even gave it a good name, Speed Drift 3D. Boom. Yeah, Replit's my favorite for full stack. Like,
definitely, I'm with you. Especially now that I think I figured out like what my biggest issues were, which were me in Replit not agreeing. Sorry, I'm keep looking away from the camera, guys. My dog Coltrane has entered the chat.
Approve. I'm not gonna do all these additional ones, right? I'm just
that's always problematic anyway.
This is This is why solopreneur term exists.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, perspective camera. It's doing the right stuff. It's got velocity. It's doing the math. See, I love looking at it drawing code because I'm basically doing a code review real time.
Mm-hmm.
And that is why it's important to be an engineer because you still can do code reviews on AI.
Trust me, the steepness of the curve gets crazy really fast. Like you'll be 80% there, and that 20% will kick your tail.
Yeah, no, for sure. Well, I mean, I always tell people 90% of our job is debugging,
Hmm.
10% is writing code. And now that 10% has gone away. So now it's like 100% debugging.
Yep. I told someone yesterday they were we were talking and he was being critical of himself. I said, Rick Rubin, I couldn't remember the guy's name. I said, one of the most powerful things is to know what you don't want. You ever heard Rick Rubin have this conversation? He's like, I don't do anything, but I know what I want. And I know people feel like it's a meme now, but it's not because there's like a level, there's a genius to that whole saying, but you
I
wouldn't
know what you
recognize.
mean. I know what I don't want.
Yeah,
Right.
like
Yeah.
I kind of remixed it. Like
Yeah.
knowing what you don't want is a superpower because you can have a critical eye while other people will just be, oh, this is amazing.
Right. Well, it's the power of no, too. Right.
Hmm.
Uh, all right. We got a game.
Let's see it.
Look, easy, medium, hard.
Uh huh.
Checkpoints 5, 7, and 10.
Okay.
And use the arrow keys. All right. Uh, I'm using the arrow keys. Ain't nothing happening.
It's a brick.
It's a brick.
It's a bright red brick.
Try selecting a track from the home page and verify you see the 3D and are you able to control the car? No. Let's go back to the home. Let's try the mountain pass.
Are you,
Nope.
you trying the arrow? Try WASD.
Nothing.
Hmm.
Nope. I can't control the car. It's a brick.
A bright red one. Nothing more New York than a bright red brick. Like so many New York stories starts off with, I thought I was getting a TV. I opened the box. It's a bright red brick.
You got a brick. The user reports they can't control the car. Looking at the code, there might be several issues. Yeah, your binding's wrong. Oh, you're deleting. Oh, there is no acceleration. Oh, that might be the problem. Take a screenshot. Oh, I like their interface though. I like this.
Yeah,
This is nice. Loading your page, desert sprint. I think I'm moving.
you think you're moving? Get the correct. I think we need parallax because nothing's that like you can't perceive motion. Watch it, boy.
Here, let's go back to home and I'm gonna try mountain pass. You see how the bottom turned white down
Yeah,
here?
yeah. See, I can see a border around something.
Yeah, that's all I see.
All right. You want to
Nope.
call it, or you want to keep going?
No, I want to keep going. Come on. We gotta at
Okay.
least see something.
Okay.
Uh I can't see if the car is moving. It is just a big black screen.
Screenshot.
Oh, can I do that?
Yep.
Can I just paste it right in here?
Yep. This is what I see. That's what I do.
I see this. Your car and track aren't properly visible in 3D scene. I'll fix the renderer to make the car and environment visible by adding proper lighting and adjusting camera position. You do that. The agent is thinking. All right, take a screenshot. Yeah, yeah. That's not the screenshot I care about, but we'll go with that.
When you see that, take.
Hey,
Oh, there you go. Wow.
that's not bad.
I think it would be pretty easy to add images to the background and give it the perception of speed.
Woo, this is fun.
but it's failing. There's no milestones, or maybe you
Yeah.
can't see.
Yep, I can do that. Yes. But there is no track or milestones. Yeah, this is like I'll add a racing track with checkpoints to create a complete racing experience. Well, why didn't you do that to start? Oh, city block layout. I like city blocks.
Mm-hmm.
Represent New York. Oh my gosh, imagine if it created a New York, like create Manhattan.
I
Create
think that's possible. I think we
I
could. I think we could
oh
have said maybe with Claude, we could have said, "Hey, I want you to race around, like the streets of Manhattan. Use GPS data to, pick the track or something."
now I guess my next question. So we did tonight we did Replit, we did Claude and Grok. Right now I think Claude won tonight.
Yeah, I think Replit would win the real war,
Right.
but yeah.
But given what we did, I think Claude ooh,
Hmm?
I can't move.
Strategy, strategy.
I'm
Is it?
I'm I'm literally in the wall. Hold
Oh,
on.
I was about to say, is a track upside down?
I can't move.
I think we spoke a little too soon. Claude is the
Oh,
clear winner.
you see, I did. I moved. It's because I'm in a wall. It's starting me in a wall. Yeah, I'm. The car is starting in a wall, and I can't move. Yeah, Claude's the clear winner tonight.
Yeah. So I think when we come back, like before we get started with the next topic, like I'm gonna bring because I'm working on two things. I want to bring it and like I I know you can get into some crazy stuff. Like I
Well,
really
this is fun. Like this is the kind
yeah
of stuff that I do on Saturday mornings, and I never thought of doing it on a podcast. But this is what people keep asking. Can you? I was like, you don't need me. You can do it yourself. Let me show you. No,
yeah.
you don't
I,
understand. I'm not a coder. I was like, yeah, it doesn't matter right now.
does it, I ask people how dedicated are you? Like can you dedicate the time and the planning? Okay, what the
Yeah, it's keep putting me in the middle of nothing. Change the spawn point. No, nope,
yeah.
no. Last time. No. Well, no. Oh, I think it's picking up my keystroke. That's why. Uh, no. The spawn point is still in the wall. But like the kids that grew up on games, right? And they know
Mhm.
like what's a spawn point, right? And little things like that and collision detection, what's a sprite,
Yep.
and then creating those kind of things. Like maybe next week we'll do the same thing with what's another one that I wanted to try Gemini. I want to see how Gemini can do with
Yeah,
this.
I mean, what we saw tonight is that Gemini is supposed to be able to generate pixels and artwork. So maybe we can, pretty it up.
Here we go. Nope, you still suck.
I
No.
think I think a screenshot would be good in this case because I don't
Okay,
think it
let's do
stands.
it.
Yeah,
Uh, uh, I gotta get out of this. This is what I'm seeing. Oh man. This is what I'm seeing.
Did the screenshot get in there? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I was gonna say while you were talking, it does the same technique. When it's reviewing its code, it takes a screenshot of what its progress is to try to help it determine if it's successful or not.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right. I've never used screenshots before on Replit. Basically, I feel like I'm opening tickets.
Well, I guess we are, right?
We kind of are, right? We need to have an automated ticketing system. Yeah, what was the thing I did? Oh, it was that soft gen AI, that new
Mhm.
tool that I saw on Product Hunt. That one would run, identify its own problems, and autonomously fix it. That was
Dude,
nice.
I enabled YOLO mode in Cursor. It's so nice. I mean, it's a little dangerous, I surmise, but it just goes until it's done.
Yep. Nope, it's still not working.
Claude, you're drunk.
No, this is Replit.
Oh, Replit, you're drunk. Claude got
Yeah.
it right.
Here, wait. Let's see if I can do this. Dev tools. Oh no, that's fine. What if I change the screen size to a pixel?
Yeah, we gotta tell it to it's gotta run on mobile.
Yeah, and let's redo this. Yeah, it
Hold
still
on.
doesn't work. That's fine, full size. You see it move just a little bit, and then it hits the wall. It's still on the wall.
I a couple. We should try it again. I think a little bit more description, like the track should be round, the track should be this, but I don't think it understands what the track
The
is,
track.
or maybe give it a picture of a track. Can you Google like a 2D or
Round.
3D racetrack?
Let's do racetrack images. Oh, not like that.
Yeah, you want like the
Race
2D.
racetrack 2D map like that.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's probably good.
Uh, Copy image. Probably gonna get should be round. Should be similar to this. See what happens.
Yep. If we were different men, we should turn this into a drinking game. How many prompts do you get hammered?
Oh my god. Wow, it's 10:30. This is fun though.
Oh, this is good.
Well, and then like next week we can do something like we'll use Gemini, um, GPT because everybody
Mm-hmm.
loves to talk about that one,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll figure out another third one. Well, we'll go back to Claude because it's the winner this week. So we'll have
Yep.
we could have like a contest, like a round robin. There can be
Mm-hmm.
only one. Nope, still sucks.
I want to make this point about Replit, and we're going to argue it next week. This is my problem with Replit, right? When it gets it wrong, it kind of gets stuck there. By
Yeah,
the way, you just spent like $3 or $4 and you didn't get anything for it.
I got nothing.
And I don't think that's right. I think like I think Replit should do like it needs to be able to determine like, oh no, that didn't work. Okay, I can't charge you for a milestone that didn't work.
Yeah, they can.
Well, yeah, no, they are. I mean,
No,
when I
well,
mentioned
yeah.
yeah, when I mentioned this as support, they were like, "Yeah, right now that's just the way
Yeah,
it
sorry
is."
about that.
Yeah, sorry about that. And for me, I don't know for you, but this is starting to turn into like tens of dollars, like 50, $60.
Let's see how
Of,
much I've spent. I know it just reset for me, but
Mhm. Yeah, mine resets in a couple days.
yep. Yeah, that basically cost me $3.
Yep, for nothing.
Yeah, for nothing. So there you go.
Oh, by the way, have you tried switching between the agent and the assistant? The agent is 25 cents a milestone. The assistant is 5 cents a milestone. I'm still
Let's
not
see.
perfect.
Agent, assistant. Oh.
I'm not perfectly clear the difference, but
Oh,
the,
because the assistant is primarily for like UI fixes and things like that,
yeah.
and the agent does real stuff.
So where are we right now? Are these UI fixes?
No, this is the thing is spawning in the wrong location.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's call it a night.
We're,
I'm gonna
we're gonna come back to this.
we'll
We're
come
gonna
back to
come back with
this.
behind the scenes. We're gonna make amazing 3D games and just come back and be like, "See, I told you."
We can do it. It's possible. But
Yeah.
these people that are just waking up with a single prompting game, they're lying to you.
I
They're
have to say that I won't say they're lying. I'm saying that there's something missing from this equation.
well, that's true. So one of the things I saw from uh, one of my friends who's a product guy, he wrote a full uh, product detail. Right? He
Mhm.
wrote
Yeah.
a whole. I forgot the name of the term, but he wrote an end-to-end full product spec, and
Hmm.
then took that, uploaded it to Claude, and it
Yep.
did a good job, right? So keep in mind the prompts that you and I are doing are literally like, let's just try it.
Yep.
One of the things I have seen in some of the prompts is, and it depends,
Hmm.
the architect answer, but less is more. I've literally typed in create a Flappy Bird clone and it understood what that meant and it did
Yep.
everything.
Well,
Actually, here, while we're still live, you know I got to
mhm.
do this.
You gotta do it.
I got to
While
do it.
you're doing that, I'll say this: we know how to write prompts. We've
Right.
been building a whole bunch of stuff, but we're not actually using the what I would consider to be the proper prompt format. The
Right.
proper prompt format would be a description, modeling, right? You are a game designer. I want you to design this type of game. I want it to be available in on this type of platform, and I want so you want to have a modeling, like you tell the LLM who it thinks it is. You ask it to do something, and then you specify how you want to see the results. I think I got that right.
Right. And the thing that is really challenging is when people have something in their head that is an exact detail that they want. They're like, "Oh, I really want X, Y, or Z, whatever that may be." And getting the AI to understand that level of precision isn't going to happen yet. They
Well,
under they understand concepts,
yep.
but they don't understand anything more than that.
Well, in that context, I would argue that it's not the AI that's wrong, it's you that's wrong. Products are not built that way. You
See,
don't
look,
go, yeah,
Flappy Bird done.
yeah, no, absolutely.
I'm not good at it, by the way.
That's okay. You
But
sure you play Street? Oh, holy crap! Let's
great
build a
Street
Street
Fighter.
Fighter clone. Let's build a Street Fighter. Not now. Let's come back and build a Street Fighter clone.
Yeah,
For those
okay.
of you who don't know, John is like top five Street
Not
Fighter.
anymore. No, I haven't played in a while. Like back in the 90s I was really really good. And now I am not. So for the record, don't but
Listen, don't
no,
fall for the okie doke. He's trying to hustle you.
out of normal, if you're a normal person and you're
It would
not
be-
one of the avid gamers, I will destroy you in Street Fighter. It's just a fact. But there's people that compete and I can't compete at those levels anymore. I got old man hands. My I got old man hands. My reflexes aren't there. But yeah, I still play Street Fighter. Yeah, you can follow me on Twitch. I still play Street. I played Street Fighter tonight. Um, got owned by most of them though. But now I'm just playing random. I literally do a ranked levels, so I only
Mhm,
play ranked. And when I play ranked, I only do random characters, so I get to play all the characters that I suck at. Every once in
mhm.
a while, I'll get a good character, and I'll be like, "Oh, perfect."
There you go. There you
Yeah,
go.
but yeah, look, I just made a Flappy Bird game in what, a minute,
Yep.
and the prompt was create a Flappy Bird game for the web.
Yep.
Done. I knew that was going to be that easy because it's crazy how easy some of that stuff has gotten.
Dude,
Um,
I've seen top-down 3D Pokemon style games. I think we should. I think we should talk through a prompt and do a Street Fighter clone next time.
because
Let's
that's a 2D, that's a 2D fighter. It's really not that hard.
yeah, but let's actually have Gemini generate graphics so it looks like something.
Oh, you can. All right,
There you go.
we can do that. All right, everybody, we're gonna call it a night, and we will see you next week, and maybe we'll build Street Fighter next week. Sorry, Capcom, we're
Yeah,
not
don't sue us,
staying.
Capcom. We don't
Don't,
have
I'm a
we don't
huge
actually have any
fan.
money.
Don't ban
Don't.
me. I love your games. Um, cool. I will talk to y'all later. Have a good night, yeah.
All right, guys.
Bye.